Hello friends, welcome back to our session. In quantitative aptitude, the preparation strategies, we started working on the techniques, followed by we also started a topic. We started with a topic called percentage, right? So today I'm going to continue with the same topic. So in percentages, we handled a few models there, and I'll be continuing with the same thing, okay? So we learned one technique when we have length, breadth, and height. How do we solve the problem? Right? Now it's a continuation. That is percentage changes in revenue, area, and the volumes we understood. Right? I'm going to understand in the next part. Right? Today we'll continue with the next part. Right? For example, length, breadth, and height of a cuboid, they increase by 3%, 4%, 5% respectively. We are asked to find what the change in volume. I'll repeat my question. We are asked to find what the change in volume is. Now, if you remember, instead of applying L plus B plus LB by 100 method many times, I gave you a simple method. I am assuming initial volume as 100. Volume depends on three variables LBH. So my first value is 103 by 100. The second value is 104 by 100. The third value is 105 by 100. Right? So these are the values. Anyways, you all know in Clat kind of exams, common law admission test, you don't have a calculator. You are not allowed with a calculator. You have to do all calculations manually without any machine, right? So 103 into 104. Anyways, this 100 gets cancelled, right? So if I look at this is 3 more than 100, this is 4 more than 100, 3 4s are 12. 103 plus 4 is 107. So the value is 10712 by 100 into 105 by 100. This is my value. Now I need to go for further simplification, right? This is not sufficient. I need to go for further simplification. What will the next level simplification here? Now this is 10712 into the value will be 100 plus 5 divided by 10,000. This is my value. So if I have to understand this method, my friends, please pay more attention. 1071200 plus 5 into this one, 5 2s are 10, 0, 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 7s are 35, this is 3, 5 1s are 5. This whole divided by this one, divided by 10,000. Now if I have to understand this is 0, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, this 3 and this one, this is 4, this is 7 plus 5, 12, 2, 1, this is 1, by this is 10,000. 0, 0 gets cancelled. I have 3 zeros, decimal comes here. The value will be 112.47. I assumed that the initial volume is 100, right? But now I arrived at the volume as 112.47. Clearly, I can say there is a 12.47% growth. I can clearly say that there is a 12.47% growth. So I should say my answer as a 12.47% growth in the volume. This is the proper way of solving the question. But you cannot expect every time a student solving these lengthy calculations, right? We have a simple method. The numbers are 3, 4, 5. First take a plus b plus c. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Leave it aside. Now AB, 3 4s are 12. AC, 3 5s are 15. 3 is multiplied with every other number. 4 3s are already given. 4 5s are not given. 4 5s are 20. 4 multiplication is done. 5 3s are already there. 5 4s are already there. The sum is 47. Divide is 47 by 100. 0.47. Add 12.47% is the answer. This is the best technique of solving the question. You don't have to apply a lengthy method. This is the best technique of solving the question. And if the numbers are going down, if they are negative, if the value, the height is decreasing, if the length is decreasing, how do we solve the problem? please come down to Career Launcher, attend the session. We will have a complete clarification. Is it okay? Excellent. Now the next part of the story, what I need to learn. For example, I have length and breadth of a rectangle as 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter. I was asked to find if there is a growth of 10% in length, growth of 10% in breadth, what is the change in perimeter, right? So we are talking about your perimeter 2 into L plus B. Now you know this is 30 plus 20, 2 into 30 plus 20, which is 2 into 50, which is 100. Now my new L is 10%, 33. My new breadth is 20%, 22. Put together 2 into 55, my value is 110. Now value from 100, it became 110. There is a straight growth of 10%. That is, if both length and breadth are increasing by 10%, overall perimeter will grow by 10%. That is okay. But now you tell me, my friends, if the same question is given like, for length and breadth, this is 20% growth, this is 10% growth. Now, initially they are 2 into L plus B. Now this is 2 into 1.2 L plus 1.1 B. Can I simplify how much is the growth? No, which is not possible. For example, if I take length and breadth of a rectangle as 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter, you are taking a 20% growth, 10% growth. Initially 2 into L plus B, 50, which is 100. The new length is 36, the new breadth is 22, which is 2 into 58, which is 116. There is a 16% growth. But if the length and breadth are different, assume they are 40 and 30 centimeter. Now, you all can understand a 20% growth. First of all, this is 2 into 40 plus 30, 70, which is 140. Now, new length 48, new breadth is 33. The sum will be 2 into 81, which is 162. Now I can understand there is a 22 growth upon 140 percentage into 100. Simplify the expression, 22 by 1.4. The answer is not the same. That is, it varies for different L and B. So my friends, please understand, if L and B, if they change by the same percentage, you can find what is the change in L plus B. But if they both are not changing the same percentage, if they have different percentages, 2 into L plus B, some change you cannot identify. It means the problem is because of the plus. That is a simple reason you would have seen. We are identifying the changes in area. We are identifying the changes in volumes, but we are not finding for perimeter. We are not finding 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. That is the total surface area of a cuboid. Wherever there is a plus, we are not solving the problem. We are solving the problems wherever there is a product. That is the reason. Got it? That is the reason why we do it. Okay, my friends? Excellent. Stay tuned. To that extent, we are done with the basics of percentages, and inside the classes, we will go for the remaining questions of percentages. Okay? So subscribe the channel, watch it carefully.